Hello students, in this section we are going to solve a problem on adjusting entries. So now let's first read the problem. The following transactions occurred during December 31st, 2018 for the company Microchip. So on October 1, 2018, Microchip lent 83,000 to another company. A note was signed with principal and 8% interest to be paid on September 30, 2019. So we need to be careful about three things. Number one is this 8% interest is annual interest, okay? And we are preparing our adjusting entries on December 31st, 2018, okay? And number three is we should be careful about the number of months have already passed. So from October, November, so December, 3 months, right? So we will calculate interest for these 3 months. So let's see how do we do that. So see here, 83,000 is our principal amount, 8% is the interest, and 3/12 because from October to December 31st, 3 months have passed, and 12 because the annual interest rate is for 12 months. So we have total 1,660 interest. Okay, so number one adjusting entry will be interest receivable. Interest receivable because we are not getting the interest even though we have earned it. Interest revenue. So that is 1,660. And number two, on November 1, 2018, the company paid its landlord 6,800, representing rent for the months of November through January. So prepaid rent was debited. Okay, so since prepaid rent was debited, so it is normal, it is not alternative form. So let's see how do we do that. Let's insert an equation. Okay. So 6,800 multiplied by 2/3. 2/3 because it is from November to December, but the rent was paid for 3 months. So that is why 3 months interest has been, 3 months rent has been spent. So the amount would be 4,533. So now interest expense 4,533, and this is gonna be prepaid rent. Okay, 4,533. Number three. So on August, we have collected 12,900 in advance rent from another company that is renting a portion of Microchip's factory. The 12,900 represents 1 year's rent, and the entire amount was credited to rent revenue. So here is the problem. So let's calculate. So per month rent. Per month rent will be 1,757 of 1075 actually. So multiplied by 5 because from August, September, October, November, December, 5 months. Okay, so this is the amount of rent revenue actually we have already earned. So 5,375. Okay, so these 5,375, the remaining amount is 7,525. Okay, this is the amount of rent that we have not yet earned. This is unearned rent revenue. Okay, and this is the amount that we have already earned. Okay, now the problem is telling us that the entire amount that we have received was credited to rent revenue. Can you see that? So since 12,900 was credited to rent revenue, it means that our rent revenue is now overstated by this amount. Okay, so we will be creating an unearned rent. So now, rent revenue, we are decreasing, we are adjusting the rent revenue, this amount 5,700. Okay, and the remaining amount is unearned rent revenue. Okay, see that this is unearned rent revenue. Okay, okay, let's see number 4. Depreciation on office equipment is 5,900 for the year. So depreciation expense 5,900, and this is accumulated depreciation. Let's make the font a little bit smaller. So okay, so that 5,000. Okay, and number 5, vacation pay for the year that had been earned by employees but not paid to them or recorded is 9,300. The company records vacation pay as salary expense. This is very simple actually. We have not yet paid, so we have an expense that is salaries expense debit 9,300, and salaries payable credit 9,300. Okay, and number 6, this is an interesting problem. So Microchip began the year with 2,400 in its asset account, that is supplies, and during the year the company has purchased 6,800. At the year end, the supplies costing 3,450 remain on hand. So this is the calculation of the supplies expense. So beginning supplies 2,400, this amount. Okay, and we are adding the purchase. So this is 6,800. So total supplies we had for this entire year 9,200, and supplies in hand still 3,450. So the difference between these two is our supply expense. So this is very simple. Supplies expense debit, supplies credit. So 5,750. 5,750. Okay. Hello students. Today, up to this, we have solved the problem on adjusting entries. I hope you have understood. Now, if you have any question, please let me know. Thank you.